That is quite the car. How about this one? Dodge 59. That's the way to get around Cuba. Boy, the engines have diesels in them, right? What a stink. Let's just have a look over here. See if there's anything interesting to rent. Taxis, Peugeot, another Peugeot, look at a motorcycle. You can rent scooters here, no bicycles. So this is the entrance to Paradisus Rio De Oro. And those big palm trees, that one in particular, they're called the Royal Palm. It's the national tree of Cuba. And we'll just finish up our little tour. It's the entrance. It's hot today, like 30 Celsius. And I love these extended golf carts. Let's just have a look at it. Everybody thinks I'm a bit crazy walking around talking into a camera. I bet they're all made in China. Lan Going. There's another couple royal palms. Well, that's the grand tour of the lobby.